It's our first trail marker on our new trail, the
Schluchtensteig
Trail. A hard time to figure out how to say some of these words.
There's a sign.
So Emma believes because we're hiking in
Halloween
weekend that we're not going to make it.
Yeah, the chances of us making it out alive of the Black Forest.
Slim.
So.
Oh well.
Oh, look.
Okay. Here we go. The Schluchtensteig. Zuden Wassenfallen.
That says there's a waterfall this way.
Look, looks really pretty. It's been a very hectic day. We had to get out of our Airbnb really kind of early. I was just starting to feel better after being a little bit sick. Emma had a call, so we sat outside of a hotel that wasn't even open while she took her call. And then we finally decided to stay at a different town on the Schluchtensteig Trail. And we're going to Wutang Gorge. I'm really sorry about the pronunciation. It's really hard. Schluchtensteig Trail.
Schluchtensteig.
It's a pretty cool way to kick off the trail, though. It's probably from an old wood carving something embossed almost. Look at this guy. Somebody translate this. Let me know what that says. And then this one too. Right? Something about war. Down, down. Wow. Pretty cool way to start this trail. Feeling we're in for a lot of those views.
Are yours straps two different colors? Yeah. Strange.
Yay.
Oh, okay.
Here we go, down the hill. Do we have time to make this before it gets dark?
Yeah.
Okay.
So one positive thing is that we are like cutting down on our trail time tomorrow.
Yeah. We're just doing a trail. We're just doing it in different ways than the segments normally are.
What do I do?
Are we supposed to go down? Did we go down? What do you mean, what do I do? we follow the trail.
Is it safe? Oh my god, this is making me really nervous.
Alright, I gotta put this away. We're going down. I hope you got that.
I did.
Oh. Do I have a mark on my face? That's done.
I'm sorry, lover. Wow, it's so cool.
Wow. Hard to write after all this. Can't even move. Were we cold? It was just uphill. Uphill.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I got this done.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? This is day 2 of the Schluchtensteig.
We're walking down to the Wutash, the gorge, and there will be waterfalls and muddy and hills,
Yeah.
and then it's gonna rain.
Well, hopefully not, but I mean it will rain.
Yeah.
Then hopefully we can get out of there, and we don't die in a flash flood. So it'll be a fun day in the Black Forest.
Like I said, very small chance of coming out alive.